What up, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. Today I got a pack in. Before I crack it open, I want y'all to hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate y'all. Today's gonna be a hot day. You feel me? It's supposed to be like 92 degrees today. So I just came out here to do this unboxing, then I'm gonna get back up in the crib. You know, but enough with that. Let's get this box open and show you guys what I got. I got me some nice little heat here. Paid a nice little grip for it, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta pay for what you want. And that's what I did, you know. This package real nice, as you can see. Yup, it's an Adidas box. So all I really been doing is Adidas. That's my thing, Adidas. You feel me? This the box. It's not beat up. It's the size of them. My size. Hope the lighting coming in alright on here. Got suede on it. See the suede right there. Nubuck around the toe. Man, I hope this lighting is alright. Let me bag out of it soon. It's the toe box. Let me grab the other one out. Sit tight. Show you what it's looking like. These are DS's, the tag just dropped off of it. It's the sole of it. The interior. Yeah, these are dope. These right here are some Adidas Decades. Some exclusive heat. You feel me? Toe of them. Yeah, these are dope, man. I like them. Shit, I just gotta get something to go with it. You know? Like I said, got this suede around here. Man, I hope this camera is picking this up. You got your suede on the toe. And it's like a nubuck or something around here, and also right here, and this is leather right here. But yeah, these are dope, man. I like them. Shit. Yeah, I like them. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. Something totally different. I like having stuff different. I don't like to have something on my feet that everybody got. You feel me? I don't like that. But yeah, these are definitely gets a thumbs up in my book. Hey, I don't know what's up with YouTube. I don't get notifications for nobody videos no more. So I know people ain't really getting notifications of my videos. Hell, I ain't even got a check from YouTube in a minute, you know? So, I don't know what the hell. That's another video I might do. I don't know what the hell YouTube is doing. You know? I see why a lot of people is going live and getting donations and stuff. Hell, I might have to start doing that too, man. For real. Especially if y'all want to see me start doing some more Jordan videos and other sneaker videos, let me know, cause I'm gonna have to get something going on. I'm not gonna be spending all my money on sneakers and I ain't getting nothing out the deal. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, I love my sneakers, but I'm not gonna be putting all my money in the sneakers neither like that. That's why you don't see too many videos of me doing sneaker videos. You know, I do them here and there, you know. But thank y'all for stopping by. As always,